Listen long enough, you can love me. Listen long enough, you can love me. Only day is yours, you can hold me. Only day is yours, you can hold me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, guess who's back with another video? Finally. It's Wine and Wigs Wednesday. You know it's my favorite day because it's my two favorite things, wine and wigs. First of all, let me address what's going on my head. Okay, what y'all not gonna do is catch me slipping, so I got on like a little cap situation to cover up my fuzzy wop cornrows. We not like we close, but I don't think we that close yet. Like I need a little bit of time, you know? So cheers to Wine and Wigs Wednesday. The wig that we have today is from, y'all already know, you can say it with me, SAMSBEAUTY.com. SAMSBEAUTY.com is an online beauty supply store where you can get wigs, you can get weaves, you can get some of everything that you can get from your local beauty supply store, except you can get it online. You don't have to deal with somebody following you around the store. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Get everything you need from makeup to hair from this online beauty supply store. So this wig today, you know, we've done blonde, we've done, you know, curly, we've done different sorts of wigs, but this wig today, girl, she is a Bobbi Boss human hair sort of short situation. This is what she looks like. She's giving me like more of a mod sort of haircut. I've never had a haircut like this before. I have cut my hair before. You can see what it looked like in my cutting my own hair video. This wig is not something that I'm used to. I mean, without further ado, I'm over here running my mouth because I'm nervous. Then we're gonna open her up and see what she looks like. This looks like a no to me already. I have to be honest with you. And okay, so it's a human hair wig in the style MH1212 Cutie. The color shown is a F1B33. So that's what she looks like. It's from Bobbi Boss. Y'all, oh no. No. Oh, this somebody auntie. Let me just prepare myself. Look at it. What is this? Oh no. I'm just gonna put the adjustable straps in. Okay, so this is what she looks like straight on. And I have to tell you, I'm not mad at it. There is no parting on this. Is there? No, there's no parting space, girl. So this, what you see is what you get. So now that we're here, where do we go? From the side, this is, if I give you profile action, then y'all comment down below and tell me which, there's like an actress in like a 90s movie that wore their hair like this, and I can't remember who it is. I feel like the one thing I need to do is just cut off some of this back situation because it's just way too long back there. Put these earrings on, maybe. This is a look, it's a vibe. Oh, let me show y'all the back. Let me see what this back look like. Because that back can be a telltale sign of like a no ma'am. One thing I really don't like is like this little swoop-de-doo. I hate a swoop-de-doo swirl in the middle of a wig. Just give me some sort of fake part. Just a little teeny tiny. See, you put a little you put a little hat on her? Girl. Now you just, oh, now you're a fashion queen. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. This is a cute Like, I'm ready to go get my hair done. I'm ready to go get my nails done. I'm ready to go to the grocery store, keep it cute, real light makeup. And you're good to go. Fresh skin, fresh. We're thinking fresh. We're thinking new. Okay. Got, if your contour is giving you, oh yes. You know what? I feel like I like it. You know what I think it is? I feel like it looks a little bit too thick. So, you know, it's a little bit heavy right here. Hold on. Let's just comb her out some. I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. I think I chopped off a piece. Okay, so she's lighter. There's some like shorter pieces right here. Did I do too much? Probably. Y'all see what I did? I love it. Okay, you see how I can... Yes. It's just a little bit heavy right here. Hold on one second. Okay, Jessica showed up to the salon. She has the wig on. So I'm going to go ahead and try and cut her a bit. And then we'll see how we like her. So right now I'm using the thinning comb to just comb out some of that density that's in the bang area. I'm also trimming around the back. I don't think I did it right, but y'all will see it later. It's kind of like a mess, but whatever. I'm just cutting off like those excess little baby hairs. I don't like how it looks. Placing her on my head and kind of playing around with the bang area and tucking it behind my ear, just to give a little bit of baby hair action. So this is it. What do you guys think? I feel like it's a good summertime sort of trendy wig. You know, with construction, the way that it's made, it is you take it out the package, you shake it, and it's done. Like, this can be cut a little bit more and customized. You have room to customize it, but straight out the pack, it's a really cute sort of wig. I wish it had a part. Really, if it had like a lace front where you can figure out where to part it, this wig would actually be a really cute short wig and you'll have more options. So I would give this one, I mean, since it's human, it's really cute. I actually do like it. I think I will give it a 7 out of 10 because I feel like if it were to have that lace front, it would take it to a whole new level of wigdom. But right now, it's just, you only have one option. Like, you have it, the bowl cut in the front, and that's it. But she's cute. I love like the little sideburn action. And if it was lace, this wig would be a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, especially for the girls that want to be short for summertime. Tell me what you think. What do you think of her? Would you wear, are you looking for some short hair for summertime, springtime? And if you are, like, would you buy this? Would you buy her? Like, she's human. So this is the, like, the plus. That's why I wanted to give it a 7, because it's human. What do you think? What do y'all think? So I will leave the link for this hair down below. If you have any questions or requests, just let me know. I love y'all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye. Hey, clink, clink. I really do look like somebody auntie. I do. Bye, y'all. Love you.